In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate an object along the path using DaVinci Resolve Studio. Okay, so when you're in DaVinci Studio, you have your video loaded to video track, then navigate to Fusion. In here, click on icon Paint, and then at the top, click on icon Polyline Stroke. And now you need to create a path for your object. So I'm gonna try and create a path to follow the motion of my hand in this video, something like this, just going back along the same path. Okay, now once you have the path, next thing, click on stroke controls, and in stroke controls make sure your timeline cursor is at the beginning of the video and find this end and type in 0.001, hit enter. Once you've done that, add keyframe, and now move the timeline cursor to the end of the video and change the settings again. So start should be at 0.999, enter, and the end should be at 1.0, enter. And now change the spacing to 0, click on merge, and now open brush controls. And in brush controls, you can actually select the object that you want to use. If you want to use your own object, you can click on image, clip, and then browse your computer for a desired object. But in this example, I'm gonna go with a soft brush, and I'm gonna increase the size a little. And in apply colors, I'll click on color and I'll change the color of the object. I'll make it red. Okay, maybe increase the size a bit more. And now if I play the video again, as you can see, it follows the path that I created.